Alrighty, it's time to finish this santoku. The epoxy is dry, so let's finish shaping the handle and buff it so that it gets all nice and shiny. Perfect. The last thing to do is to sharpen it. I'd say that that's plenty sharp. Well, blow me down. That knife is gorgeous. I especially love the purple and the silver together. That's a winning combination. I think they'll be pretty happy with that one. Next project on the to-do list is this 10-inch buoy that we need to finish. Ooh, yeah, I've been really excited to finish that one.